Hello, YouTube. Thanks for joining us. We did a little Father's Day night ride the night before Father's Day. We began this ride at about 103 degrees at about 6:30 and started to cool off and turned out to be a pretty nice night. This was Matt's first time on our little ride out there in the backyard. He's got the Razor High Lifter Edition, and we started out with this crevice climb. It was pretty fun. These trails have been getting a lot of activity, and some ruts are getting dug in them, and they're getting a little more challenging. More and more clearance is becoming an issue. Here's the second climb that we did. It was just Kevin and I. Matt came around from the other side. This has gotten so ruddy that it's pretty challenging, and it's not the same hill that it used to be. It's not quite dark yet, but it's getting close. The lights are starting to really show up. It's a nice little hill that has a sharp little peak on it. And no sooner do you get to the top, you head right back down. It's kind of wild when you're climbing up this hill. You would not even have an idea that there was a road that popped over the top, because of the way the rocks are. But I'd already scouted it out on Google, and I knew those were roads, so it kind of was like a leap of faith. Now we're in total darkness and kind of enjoying the extra lights that we have. Kind of go through the sand hills a little bit here and then start working our way back home. Thanks for joining us on this little ride. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. I'm going to start kicking videos out at a more frequent rate. I've got some transmission upgrades planned for Pepe, and I will. It'll be a 3-part series. One, pulling it out of the machine, and then second part will be putting the gears and the reverse chain and all the stuff I've got planned for it, and then the third one will be putting it back in the machine.